Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to migrate your data from Airtable to Baserow in 2025. Whether you're switching for flexibility, privacy, or open source control, this process is simple. Start by opening your Airtable workspace and going to the base you want to move. Click Share or Download, then select Download CSV for each table in your base. This saves your Airtable data as individual CSV files, which are easy to upload into Baserow. Make sure each table you want to migrate is exported separately. Next, open Baserow and sign in. From your dashboard, click Create New Database and choose Import a File. Upload one of your CSV files from Airtable. Baserow automatically reads your columns and creates fields that match your data structure. Repeat the import for all your Airtable tables to rebuild your full database. Once everything is imported, review your fields and adjust any data types if needed. For example, you can change text to number or date fields for accuracy. Now connect related tables using linked fields to recreate any relationships you had in Airtable. Once done, your migration is complete and your data is ready to use in Baserow's open source platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.